Hello everyone, and welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we're going to explore the antelope, one of the most striking and impressive wild animals found on the grasslands and savannas. Antelopes are slender yet powerful animals, equipped with features that help them survive in the wild. They typically have light brown or reddish fur, which provides effective camouflage in the vast grasslands and dense forests. Antelopes vary in size and shape, from the larger and curved-horned bongo to the smaller and more streamlined straight-horned antelope. Antelopes usually live in herds, which enhances their ability to protect and survive. A herd can consist of dozens or even hundreds of individuals, with clear roles among members. Female antelopes are responsible for caring for the young and maintaining herd stability, while males often compete for leadership and breeding rights within the group. Antelopes are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses, leaves, and fruits. Their ability to move quickly and nimbly helps them evade predators such as lions and tigers. Their high jumping skills and fast movement are crucial for escaping danger and optimizing foraging. Antelopes play a vital role in their ecosystem. They help maintain plant balance by consuming grasses and leaves, creating pathways in the forest that facilitate movement for other animals. Their presence also provides food for predators, contributing to the natural food chain. Although antelopes are not as severely threatened as some other species, certain antelope species face risks due to habitat loss and hunting. Conserving their habitats and implementing protection policies are crucial to ensure their long-term survival in the wild.